Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something that shouldn't happen. And honestly, companies that do that, we should boycott their products. It has to do with a way that Microsoft, through the Microsoft Store, lets any company that installs software kind of install what they want. And it generated something that is, in my sense, unwanted. And actually, everybody that has an LG monitor should complain to the company. You should call in, you should send emails. This is unacceptable. So, for the last year or so, when you plug in an LG monitor to a Windows PC, it installs a driver. Driver comes from Windows Update. And what happens is that the driver installs a unwanted piece of software. A pop-up for a MCAfee trial that randomly pops up from time to time. Some users say that in a couple of hundred restarts, it popped up a couple of dozen times. One user said he'd been using a LG monitor for the past 3 months, saw it only once. So it varies. Some people say they see it more. But that's beside the point. The point is that this should not be there. You should not have unwanted software installed to promote something like that on just buying a device. And of course, by searching a little more, you understand that there's actually more people that have other types of devices that do this rather than, it's just crazy. So a lot of the IT professionals are asking Microsoft to make it so that when a hardware installs a driver or anything, they can't install anything else with it, not this type of thing, without having at least a pop-up that says, oh, do you want to install this piece of crap on your PC? And you could refuse. So unacceptable. I'm sorry, but all I feel like I want to say is stay away from LG devices. That is unacceptable that you do that with an LG monitor installing a unwanted pop-up software for McAfee. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.